Hello, today we are going to learn some easy tricks to learn the square root of a number. Okay. So, before finding out the square root of a number, first we must know the squares of numbers. That is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square, 9 square and 10 square. First we must learn these square numbers, then only we will be able to find out the square root of a number. First thing is, if the number ends in 1, the square root will end in, if a number ends in 1, the square root will end in either 1 or 9. If the number ends in 4, the square root will end in either 2 or 8. Either 2 or 8. If the number ends in 9, the square root will end in 3 or 7. That is 1 9, 2 8, 3 7. If the number ends in 6, the square root will end in 4 or 6. And if the square number ends in 5, the square root will end in 5 only. And if the square number ends in 00, the root will end in 0. So this is the main thing we have to learn, because from this only we will be able to know the digits, the ending digits of the square root numbers. Okay. So first let us try out a problem to learn this method. First sum is 576. We are going to find out the root for 576. So there are 3 digits. So let's divide it into 2 parts. Let us take 5 one side and 7 6 on the other side. So root of 576. What is going to be the root of 576? Usually we do this with a long division method. If in the exam point they are asking for a long division method, we can do it in the long division method. But for easy trick, we are going to find out the different way of finding the square root of 576. So first of all, what number, the square number is ending in which digit? Square number is ending in 6. So either the root will be ending in 4 or it will be ending in 6. The root will either be ending in 4 or ending in 6. So let us write here 4 and 6. So now let's come to this part. Which is the square number which is close to 5? 4. 4 is a square number close to 5. So what is the root of 4? 2. 2 is the root of 4. So we have to write it as either 24 or 26. Either 24 or 26 will be the root of 576. So to find out whether 24 or 26 is the root, we have to do one more small step. That is, we have to multiply this number with the next consecutive number. We have to multiply 2 with 3. When you multiply 2 with 3, we get 6. 5 is lesser than 6. So this number is lesser than 6. As this 5 is lesser than 6, we have to consider only 24. So 24 will be the square root of 576. If suppose the number here is greater than 6, then we will have to take the greater number. Then 26 will be the square root. In this case, 5 is lesser than 6. So the smaller number will be the square root. So 24 is the square root of 576 is 24. Shall we do one more sum to find out the square root with this method? 4489. This is a 4-digit number. Previously we saw a 3-digit number. 4489 is a 4-digit number. We are going to divide this 4489 into 2 because 2 numbers this side and 2 numbers the other side. So let's find out the square root. As the number is ending in 9, the square root ending should be either 3 or 7. As the number is ending in 9, the square root number should be either 3 or 7. Either 3 or 7. So dash 3 and dash 7. 3 and 7. Next, we will come to this part. 44. What is the square number that is nearing to 44? 49. But since 49 is greater than 44, we have to consider the previous square number. That is, previous square number is 36. So we have to consider 36, root of 36, that is 6. So either it will be 63 or 67. 63 or 6. Since 44 is greater than 36 and lesser than 49, we have to consider 6 as the number. That is, here 1 to 3, 4 to 8, 9 to 15, 16 to 24, 25 to 35, 36 to 48, 49 to 63, 64 to 80, 81 to 99. So 81 to 99. 36, in which range does 44 come, 44 fall? Which range does 44 fall? It falls in the range of 36 to 48. So we must consider 6. So either 63 or 67. Again in this case, multiply 6 with the next consecutive number, that is 7. So 6 into 7, 42. As 42 is lesser than 44, that is 44 is greater than 42. Since this number is greater, we have to consider the greater number as the square root. So 67 will be the square root of 4489. Root of 4489 is 67. Did you understand? If this number is lesser or if this number is greater than this number, we have to take the greater number. If this number is lesser than this number, we have to take the smaller number. So in this case 24 will be the root. In this case, since 42 is lesser than 44, we have to take the greater number, that is 67. Root of 4489 will be 67. Okay.